Happy New Year to each one. As we begin the new year, the church celebrates today, January 1, the solemnity of the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of God. Mary has many titles, and one of the oldest titles of Mary is the Mother of God. It's good to reflect on the first day of the year some characteristics of a mother being exemplified by Mary, which all of us should emulate as we begin the new year. What can we learn from Mother Mary? What can we learn from a mother? Three things. Number one, a mother ponders. And that is what our gospel reading today is saying, that Mary kept all these things in her heart. With all what is happening in her life, she kept everything in her heart. And that is also one of the characteristics of a mother. A mother ponders. A mother keeps everything in her heart. Many mothers would keep silent. Their silence means not they are nonchalant, but a mother keeps silent because she wants to reflect. She wants to know what's the best decision for her life, for her family, and for herself. And that is also one of the things that we have to learn. That in life, whenever we make decision not out of emotion. We make decisions not out of spontaneity, but rather, whenever we make decisions, it should be coming from a deep reflection. We decide not when we are at the lowest or highest moments of our emotions, but rather, our decisions should be coming from a deep sense of prayer involving God, what we shall do in our lives. In decision making, we do not only ask, what do I want? What does my feeling want? But we also ask, what does God want me to do in this circumstance? Number two, a mother sacrifices. A mother sacrifices. A mother wants the best for her children. I would know, especially this Christmas, a mother wants a lot for herself, but she always gives up herself for her children. I will always remember this story, and I'm sure you have heard this, that one time there was this family who had having dinner, and they had fish for dinner. And one of the children asked, Mom, why is it that every time we have fish for dinner, you will always take the head of the fish? And the mother replied, because the head of the fish is my favorite. To make the story short, the children grew up, got married, they had family, and one of the children had dinner. And one of her children asked, Mom, why is it that every time we have fish for dinner, you always take the head of the fish? And the mother spontaneously answered, because the head of the fish is my favorite. But when she answered, her heart was crushed. Why? Because she remembered that it was the same question that she asked when she was a child. But this time, being a mother, she understood everything. That after all, the head of the fish was never her favorite. But being a mother, she wanted to give the bigger part to her children. And that is one of the characteristics of a mother. A mother sacrifices. Diba, mga inahan, magluto mo, ganahan kay mo kaon ang inyong mga anak, unya, usa na lang ka adobo, Nya wa pa kakakaon, nya ganahan mang imong anak, imo na lang ihatag. Kay maumay imong kalipay. A mother's love, a mother's happiness rests on the joy of her beloved. And thirdly, a mother loves. All mother love. But a love of a mother means that a mother learns to let go. A mother's love is not about herself, but rather she finds joy when her beloved are happy and joyful. I'm already a priest for more than 20 years, and every time I would administer the sacrament of matrimony during the processional, I would always notice that the one who cries is not really the bride, but the one who cries terribly would be the mother. Why? Because the mother would miss her child, her daughter. Her daughter nga iyang sudlayan sa una, iyang daughter nga iyang kuyog-kuyog pirmi, but this time, during wedding, wala na. Adto na sa iyang bana. But the mother will never say, "Don't leave me." But the mother will always, "Go ahead. Go ahead. Because your joy is my joy as well." And that is the love of a mother. A mother, maybe she is full of pain. Labi magkatiguang, biyaan na sila. Siya na lang mag-inusara. Mingawon po na sila. Nga nindot unta tong bata pa mi, ako'y magbuot sa akong anak, ano sa siya matuog, asa may muadto, pero karon ako na lang. Tanaw na lang ang picture sa iyang anak nga tua sa Facebook. Pero every time a mother sees biskang sa picture na lang nga malipayon ang iyang mga anak, malipay na lang pud na siya. That is a mother's love. Hopefully, my dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate the solemnity of the Mother of God, we also learn the virtues of a mother who ponders, a mother sacrifices, a mother loves.